if he, Mom, I could give him a Christmas card if he gets a flying airplane. And for Airsoft, you and me could buy a remote control airplane, and then you and me could race them around our sandpit.
Oh, you want to race flying airplanes around the sandpit? With who?
You and me. Like, they go super high, and they don't really turn, so they go really high like airplanes. They go really high, just like helicopters.
Like helicopters?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So if a helicopter comes, I'll see that airplane will the guys will not believe that they can't fly.